Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Snapchat, and in this video I'm going to show you on how to enable Snapchat keyboard extension to explore with your chat and keyboard typing in your Snapchat account. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Snapchat app. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on setting icon. Scroll down right here. You have keyboard extension right here. It's a new feature. Go ahead and click on it and it's going to take you right here. Send Bitmoji and sticker anywhere you chat with Snapchat keyboard. So what you need to do right here is go ahead and click on open settings. Then here you go. What you need to do here is to go ahead and make sure you turn on this particular button right here. This input method may be able to collect all the text you type, including personal data like password and credit card numbers. It comes from the app Snapchat. Use this input method. Go ahead and hit on OK. Note, after a reboot, this app can't start until you unlock your phone. Go ahead and hit on OK, and it's that simple. Through tutorial, you can see choose keyboard right here. So go ahead and click on here, choose keyboard. There you have. Once you click on choose keyboard, then switch to English US Snapchat keyboard. Now you can send emoji. Now you can send Bitmoji, stickers, and GIF and more in any app. So go ahead and go back to your Snapchat right here. So if you want to use test run this particular keyboard, go ahead and click on your chat. Then select any contact you have right here. Then you have Snapchat keyboard right here. Just like what you see right here. So you can start to type and use different keyboard, different emoji, different Bitmoji in your Snapchat right here. Just like what you see right here. So these are the games right here, and these are different Bitmoji right here. You can use this the clock. There are a lot of things right here that you can use as far as this particular Snapchat keyboard is concerned. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Snapchat, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.